Hello, this is my first tutorial of Redstone and I am going to show you how to build a sliding door. This is gonna be the materials you need. First we place 4 dispensers facing us. Then we place 4 observers facing the dispensers. Now we place another 4 observers above the observers. Place 4 of your pistons above the observers. Now get out 4 of your slime blocks and 4 of your honey blocks and place them above the pistons. Now place your other 4 observers on the slime and honey and make it face up. Now under the observers put 4 of your pistons. Now we repeat the same thing with the slime and honey. Now you want your machine to look like this. Now get out 16 of your iron blocks and put it above the observers. Now we bring the slime and honey up to the same height of the iron blocks. Now we get 4 of our obsidian and put it 5 blocks higher than the machine. Now we put some blocks for redstone. The blocks can be changed to any other blocks that you like. Now let's try the machine out. Place 2 blocks on the piston and then break the first one. Now place some redstone on top of the blocks. Place another 4 observers facing towards the redstone. Now build 2 blocks away and connect the redstone. Now build out your platform. Your platform can be any other blocks, but I am gonna use iron blocks. Now place down your button and try the machine out. Now let's make the mechanism for the machine to go up. Now go to the ground and place 3 blocks up. Now connect the redstone together. Now let's try the machine again. Now let's press the button again to see if it will go down. Now get the other 4 of your obsidian and place them like this. Now again build your platform. Now place a button at any location, but I chose this one. Under the button make 2 blocks down and destroy the first one. Now connect the blocks to the other side for the redstone. Now connect the redstone and in the middle put a repeater. Now let's try this thing out. Now from the other side. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe.